Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I did this cute style. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I have been sick, but I am fine now, so I am back in the game. So for this style, I am starting on blow dried hair. You can start on stretched hair or not blow dried hair if that's what you prefer. So I'm just dividing the top section and I'm just putting that on the side so I can lay the hair on the side. And just because I want it to lay really flat, I'm working in sections to make sure my hair is as flat as I can possibly get it. I'm using Got to Be Good gel. I mean, this gel is like, it's the bomb.com, but it leaves white residue if you try to brush your hair after it's dry. So work quickly if you're going to use the Got to Be Good gel. If not, there are other options of gels that you can use. Anything you have at home is really, it's going to work. So I'm just doing that on the other side as well. As you can see, I'm putting the gel in like those little sections. Like I said, I just want to make sure my hair lays and like it lays. I have a round face, so I don't really like laying my hair very much because I feel like it makes it look so much rounder, but yeah, but it works. So for the top, I'm also adding gel again on the sides, and then I'm just brushing that down. As you can see, I'm brushing it to one side because I'm tying the bun a little bit, well, not a little bit, like I'm tying the bun on one side because I want the top part to lie on the side a little bit. If you wanted it to be in the middle, then you can of course tie the little bun into the middle if you think that's more flattering for your face. My face is round, so I like to sort of like play with it a little bit to give it a little bit of structure. So playing with your hair will help you do that. If you have a boxy face, then I would go for like a middle section, but if you have a round one like mine, a side one kind of plays with the face structure a little bit better. So as you can see, I used the pack of maui hair for the back section, and I'm going to use another pack of maui hair for the front section. I'm just pinning that in place. You can use as many bobby pins as you need to. Use the long bobby pins for better security. As you can see, the top section, I divided the maui hair and I sort of like, well, you can see what I did in the video. And then I took the rubber band, well, I used an elastic band here, and then I put it on the top, twist it again, and pretty much just wrap it around the little bun again. I think this is like one of the easiest styles that I have done, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm just going to add a little bit of accessory. I wasn't really like sure like what accessory to use, so I just went for this one, like going to show in a few seconds. So I went for that one. I don't know if it looks okay, but I like it. So thanks for coming on my channel, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe so that you know when I upload a new video, and also turn on the notification bell. I will see you next time. Have a nice week. My next upload will be on Wednesday. Thanks for coming by, guys. Thank you. Bye.